Rub hands. Hygiene technique for civilly clean hands. First, rub hands together palm to palm, spreading the hand rub over the hand. 2. Rub back of each hand with palm of other hand with finger interlaced. 3. Rub palm to palm with finger interlaced. 5. Rub back of finger to opposite palm with finger interlaced. 6. Rub each thumb close and opposite hand using a rotating movement. 7. Rub tip of finger opposite palm in a circular motion. 8. Rub each wrist with opposite hand.